In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check old history in Google Chrome. This is a handy tool if you're trying to recall a previously visited site or simply need to review your browsing patterns. Knowing how to navigate and utilize your browsing history can be extremely useful, not just for personal retrospect, but also for keeping a track of visited resources for research or work. Let's dive into the first step. Start by pressing Ctrl and H on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut is a quick and easy gateway to accessing your browsing history. If you're not keen on keyboard shortcuts, don't worry. There's another way to do it. Move your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome window. There, you'll see 3 vertical dots neatly stacked. That's your menu button. Go ahead and click on it. Once the drop-down menu appears, hover over the History option. It will then extend to reveal another menu, from which you'll select History again. This step will open the full browsing history interface. Now that you've accessed your history, you have multiple options at your disposal to navigate through it. Let's explore these options. At the very top of the page, you'll find a search bar. If you're looking for a specific page among potentially thousands of visits, this is your best friend. Simply type in a keyword or site name, and Chrome will help filter out the relevant entries. Should you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can also browse through the list of visited sites manually. This list typically organizes your activity chronologically or groups your searches by site. Scrolling through the list can be a more visual method of retrieving a visit from weeks or months ago. It allows you to see exactly when you accessed a site, providing a detailed timeline of your browsing journey. And there you have it. Checking your old browsing history is straightforward and intuitive, thanks to these built-in features in Google Chrome. Whether using keyboard shortcuts or surfing through menus, Chrome makes it convenient to revisit your digital footsteps. Remember to frequently review your history, not only to recollect where you've been, but also to ensure your digital privacy by managing your tracks appropriately. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and tricks for making the most of your internet experience. Until next time, keep browsing wisely.